Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I needed some of these round little 3-volt batteries. These are CR123A for like a garage door opener, and then they work for security devices and other things. You'll see what it looks like here, and then you'll be like, oh yeah, I have some of those and things. And so this is what it looks like here. This is a 2-pack, but let me open it up. So here we go. So this is what they look like here. So it's the little stubby ones, but it's a 3-volt little battery. And look at these here. These are by perprokay, and it's a 3-volt CR123A lithium battery. So these are going to be nice and last a long time and give you good power. And I've used some of these before. This package here is new, but I had 2 packages. My other one I used in some devices already, and they are working. So I mean, it's a battery, and it's working. As far as the longevity, I just put it in last week. So, but these are great, and they are cool, and they work. So thumbs up for sure. If you need some these little weird looking batteries for stuff, pick up this set.